In this exercise, I'll walk you through how to design a process to ensure a successful feature launch every time. Once you've completed the exercise, you'll have a tactical plan that covers how to communicate feature launches and product updates, measure success using product analytics and sentiment, and capture and incorporate customer feedback. You can do this exercise individually or with a team. To get started, find the Design a Launch Plan exercise in your course workbook. For part 1, you'll determine what a successful launch looks like and how you will measure success. Alone or with your team, brainstorm goals you might set for a feature launch, perhaps in 30, 60, or 90-day increments. For example, you might want to track the number of users interacting with the new feature or the time spent using the new feature. Write these down on Post-its or on the exercise page in your workbook. For part 2, you'll determine how you will communicate the launch. Write down ideas for how you might communicate a new feature release to customers and internal teams, and the level of detail for each audience. Think about which communication methods, such as in-app messages, email, or digital campaigns, are appropriate based on the size and importance of the feature launch. Also think about how these actions will drive adoption over the 30, 60, or 90-day period. And consider how you will partner with your marketing team on customer launch communications. And finally, in part 3, consider the question, how will you engage customers around the launch? Consider the most appropriate method for collecting customer feedback on the new feature. Ideas may include interviews, surveys, or an in-app feedback tool. Think about how you will use data and feedback to make improvements post-launch.